Hello Barry, what are you making?
Well, today, guys, we're in the studio, the main dining room of our studios here at Oceana, and we are making chocolate salami now. We're just going crushing up the biscuits here
Yeah.
in a plastic bag,
Yeah.
and then we'll combine the ingredients together in the bowl, put it in a cake tin, and then put it in the fridge for 20 minutes until set, and then
Yeah.
sorry, cut.
That's alright, it's all the dust, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you got your gloves on, Barry, you're being very hygienic.
Yep.
I love it. And show me your bang, bang, bang. Yeah. That is my favourite. I love it. Do bang, bang, and then do kabang, kabang. Do that for me. I love that. It's my favourite.
Right.
Kabang the Oreos, Barry.
Alright, you Oreos. Goodbye.